how to fix battery plugged in not charging on your Windows laptop. So if you want to fix your battery plugged in but not charging, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to go with the system. Under system, you need to scroll down and you will find an option of troubleshoot. You need to go with the troubleshoot section, or you just need to simply go with your search and search for troubleshoot settings. After that, click on the troubleshoot settings and then you will have view additional troubleshooters. You need to click on that and you will get the option of battery or something like that. You just need to simply go and fix by turning on your troubleshoot. Like in this case, you can just simply go and select the power, click on power, go with run the troubleshooter, and after running, the problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution you need to do is right click on your Windows and then you will have the device manager option. Click on device manager. After that, you will find the batteries option right here. Go with batteries, select the first one, right click on it and go with update driver. After that, go with search automatically for drivers and it will be updated. Do that for the second one as well. And after updating your drivers, you can restart your device and your problem would be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.